Alright folks, welcome to this episode of Just Cook DC Copper. Goat kidneys, ginger, garlic, tomato, fresh cilantro, all fresh ingredients. We are gonna make goat kidney curry. Alright, turmeric, curry powder, sumac, ras el hanout, and smoked paprika. We are gonna make a goat kidney curry. Don't knock it till you try it. Alright, we're gonna chop the garlic, tomatoes, onion, and cilantro and ginger. Get yourself a nice saute pan, and on high heat, medium high, we're gonna saute the aromatics with a little bit of olive oil. That should do it. And we're gonna throw in a tablespoon of butter for prosperity. I love butter. My curries. Hit that through. Alright, nice and bubbly. Onion goes in, ginger and garlic. We're gonna saute this 2 to 3 minutes until nicely wilted and the house smells like a bouquet somewhere. Beautiful. So saute this about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, let's toast our spices. Smoked paprika, a little bit of curry powder, putting about a teaspoon of each, depending on your taste. A little bit of turmeric, ras el hanout, fantastic Middle Eastern spice, and some sumac. Sumac, I just put a pinch. I don't want it too overpowering. Now, when you're making curries, this is a crucial step. You just want to mix this in, incorporate it with the butter and the oil on a hot pan. It releases the fragrance. Throw in the cilantro, mix all that in. This smells like heaven in here, folks. All the spices toasting, warming through, sizzling. The butter makes a difference. You could use ghee, but I prefer butter, so I have on hand. All right, give this about a 2-minute toast. All right. Time for our tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, guys. Put that in there. After the toasting of the spices, the tomatoes whittle down, release the juices, and makes this into some kind of paste. And this is my curry paste. This is what I'm going to be working with as my base for my curry. So give that maybe another minute or two until it's kind of nicely wilted and sweating. You get a little pasty out of it. Okay. And then it's time for my kidneys. Stick them right in there. Incorporate them all into the nice curry that we've been making. So the kidneys don't take that long to cook, folks. This is a very quick meal. 5-6 minutes. This guy's done. Just warm them through. They're gonna reduce in size. They're gonna shrink. So adjust them accordingly. And yeah. A cup of water goes in there this time. Incorporate that, mix it all in. See you guys. Oh, look at the color. Look at your curry just pop up at you now. This is, scrape all the goodies out there. Yeah, here's your curry. Adjust the water according to what you feel like. I like mine thick. Adjust the water to your liking. So I'm gonna Hit this up with some salt and pepper here in a bit. Cover them up. Simmer it for about 5 minutes at the most. And we are done. Salt and pepper to your likings. Some of us are hypertensive. We have to cut our salt out. All right, give it a swoosh here there. Incorporate everything together. That should do it. Like I said, folks, it's a 10-minute meal. Cover it. Reduce the heat to a simmer and let it simmer 5 minutes. Oh, coming along beautifully. That's been about 2 minutes. Give it another 3 minutes. You can see the kidneys are shrinking. Lower my heat here a little bit. There we go. That should do it. Let's take a look here. Oh my. This looks good. This should be done, folks. You can see, like I said, the kidneys have kind of reduced in size by about a quarter. So yeah, this is ready. I'm going to take this out. We're going to serve it. All right, folks, serving options: rice, bread, pita bread, you name it, whatever you fancy. I'm not here to tell you what to serve your kidney curries with, but whatever you fancy, I am going to do it with rice, but my job here is done. Yeah, hit it with a garnish of fresh cilantro twig in there. That makes it look pretty. Add some color to it, or even better still, throw in a chili. Oh, that looks good. You can eat the chili. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Appreciate you. Like, comment, share. Let me know what you want to see. This was a good one. It's a quick meal, 10-15 minutes at the most. Good kidney curry. Have a great day.